New White Shoes. It's written by Eric Litwin, and the illustrations are by James Dean, who is also the creator of Pete the Cat. I chose this book because the moral is easy to understand for children. The pictures and illustrations are easy to follow. There's not a lot of words, so it's easy to follow. And it's interactive and fun for children. They can sing along, learn about colors and cause and effect, and also ask questions. I would use this book for older toddlers and preschoolers and above. Let's begin. Pete the Cat. I love my new white shoes. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete the Cat loved his white shoes so much that he sang this song. I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes. Oh no! Pete the Cat stepped in a large pile of strawberries. And what color did it turn his shoes? It turned them red. Red. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking and singing his song. Everything is cool. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? I wonder what color it turned his shoes. It turned them blue. Did Pete cry? Oh goodness, no. He kept on walking and singing his song. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Does anyone know? What color could it change his shoes to? It turned them to brown. Did Pete cry? Oh goodness, no. He kept on walking and singing his song. Groovy. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water. I wonder what it could have done to his shoes. And all the brown and all the blue and all the red washed away. What color were his shoes again? I wonder. What color were his shoes? Before he had red, before he had blue, before he had brown. Let's see. White. But now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Oh goodness, no. He kept walking and singing his song. Rock and roll. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep on walking along and singing your song. Because it's all good. Now with this story, the activities that I would present would be footprint art using the colors in the stories. So that would be blue, red, brown, and you could use watercolor as well. I would also download the song off the website and listen to it in class. You could also play some games with that, such as singing along, dancing along, stop and go. So whenever you pause the music, the children freeze in a different position. Another activity is ask questions to the children about what other things change their shoes different colors, like stepping in, oh gosh, I'm not sure. Stepping in dog poo, I guess. And the other activity would be reading Pete the Cat books. And that's all. Thank you for listening to my presentation.